sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Saturday, we start to see again the moisture moving back in.
Achoo!
Chance for rain or a little bit of a mix across the area. And then, as said, we go into Saturday evening and Sunday morning.
No.
That's where we get
I'm
the
sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was just sneezing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're fine. Hey, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine, baby.
70% chance of a mix rolling in Saturday.
Achoo!
And ending Sunday morning is a period of some snow. So